Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks. We are in the fireworks business for more than 18 years. I have been working here for more than 13 years. Today I would like to introduce one of my favorite, Happy Jubilee, and it is 1 inch, 36 short fan shape. The great part of this item is the speed and the color combinations. You will see the sign with different colors like red lace, like a brocade, like lemon, and you will also see the finally with gold brocade with red lace. It's a great item. Hope you will like it. Let's take a look at the video.